Hello students, welcome in a new chapter number 16, probability. Students, probability is just like a chances. So first I explain in this chapter related your sample space for related all your experiments. Sample space means any event, any experiment, total number of counted that your elements that you collect in your curly bracket, I mean set notation, is called your sample space. So I start first our exercise 16.1 first one. Find out all sample space related your describe the given events. In exercise 16.1 first one, an event is that yes, a coin is tossed 3 times. A coin is tossed 3 times. Very easy. I first draw our tree diagram related your coin. This is a for coin. I toss one time, definitely it will occur head and tail. If you second time toss, it will occur head tail. And if you third time toss, it will occur head tail, head tail, and the head tail. This is the first time, second time, and third time. So therefore sample space, I again repeat, sample space means a given experiment have total outcomes. Yes, I show in the set notations in this way, H. Next HHT, here HTH and HTT, same as THH, THT and TTH, and last going TTT. That's one. Your first question is easily and happily done. Second, a die is thrown 2 times. A dice throw 2 times means a first dice and second dice, you both number known, it will do 1 2 3 4 5 6, and second also 1 2 3 4 5 6. My sample space is ready that yes, 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 and the 1 6, same as second number 2 1 to last 2 6. Similarly 3 1 to last one 3 6. Similarly 4 1 to at the end of 4 6. 5 1 the end of 5 6, and last one 6 1 6 2 6 3 6 4 6 5 and the 6 6. Here students, you easily declare your the elements for the sample space. Now question 3, a coin is tossed 4 times. Yes, question number 3 is also going ahead just like a same drawing, only I just one elements I added here. In the question number 3, a coin toss 4 times. So this 4 times toss means this 1 time toss, the second time, this third time, and fourth time I will draw here in the one more parts HT and HT. It will be head tail, same head tail. You will write down all first two. Yes, head tail, similarly head tail, head tail, head tail, here also head tail, and lastly also head tail. So my sample space just like that. U, here I start H. Very slow write down HHT. Second HHTH. HHTH done. Now HHTT. That's your first line completed. Now this done. Now here HT Last HHTT done. Now HTHH. HTHH. HTHH done. Now HTHT. Next HTTH. And last HTTT. Now second line also done. Now here I will start THHH. THHH done. Now THHT. THHT. Now THTH. Again THTH. And last THTT. THTT. And last line here I will start TTHH. TTHH. Now TTHT. TTHT. And last TTTH. TTTH. And last TTTT. Students, total you get the numbers is equal to 16. Because of 4, 4, 4 and 4. It means if you coin toss 4 times, individually sample space are there, it is a 16 elements total, students. Now continue question number 4. Very easy. And fourth is asking the questions in the way similarly I will going. A coin is tossed and a die is thrown. Yes, a coin and a dice is thrown. So very easy. One coin, you know that it is a head tail. Yeah, one coin. And a dice, also you know that they have 1 to 6 numbers. Yes. And it will be known 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now if you combine toss both of the, then sample space, it will be covered to H with all numbers. H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. Now T. T1, T2, T3, T4, T5 and T6. Very easy. And now question number 5. To going ahead, a coin is tossed and then dice roll only in a case of head is shown in a coin. So one time toss a coin, number appearing, head and tail. But after that a coin is tossed and then a die toss at once if a head occur. It means, students, here head, if you get, you will toss the one of the dice. Just draw according to your sample space. This is a dice. Numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So my sample space at that way, H with all means H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6 and last, yes, this is the last occurrence, only T. And that's my final answers. Now continue, students. Question number 6. Very easy sample space derived according to our this drawing, I mean tree diagrams. Now in 6. 2 boys and 2 girls in a room X and 1 boy and 3 girls in a room Y. So there are 2 rooms, room X and room Y. In room X, 2 boys and 2 girls, and here 1 in the room Y. In room Y have 1 boy and 3 girls. A total here 4 members and 4 members. Question that specify the sample space for this experiment in which room is selected and then after person selected. It means, students, first select your room, just like a X room. Then after person select boy either girl. Otherwise second room Y select, and then after select boy or room. I mean girl. Here boy I consider B1, B2. Same here girl consider G1 capital letters and G2. Same as here boy 3, because here boy 1 boy 2 already I written, and here girl 2 written, so then girl 3, girl 4, girl 5. So my sample space is very easy. Start first of all room, X with the boy 1, X with the boy 2, X with the girl 1, and X with the girl 2. Now room Y select with boy, but here third boy, so room Y with the boy 3, room Y with the girl 3, room Y with the girl 4, and last Y with the girl 5. Means Y D3, Y G3, Y G4, and Y G5. Now question 7. Also very interesting questions. One die is a red color, one a white, and one a blue color are placed in a bag. So I just write down here one of the bag. In this bag 3 types of dice. Yes, one of the red dice, next white dice, and blue dice. So red dice I indicate here red R, white for W, and blue for B. And each number you know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Same as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Same as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And my question is, a die is select. It means either you red pick up, white pick up, either blue, and roll out. Its color and the number on its uppermost face is noted. Describe that sample space. So in this way, students, I go to my sample space. See, you first roll out the red dice. So red 1, red 2, red 3, red 4, red 5, red 6. That's a chance to occurrence of the red dice. Now I will go to white dice. White 1, white 2, white 3, white 4, white 5, white 6, and last blue. Blue 1, blue 2, blue 3, blue 4, blue 5, and blue 6. Total elements are done. Here 6, 6, and 6, 18 elements. Yes. And now continue. Question number, students, 8th one. Same way running, and very easy. In the question number 8, an experiment tossing of a randomly. Yes, consistence of a recording by boy or girl in competition of the family of the 2 children. So I just describe in a family of 2 children. Maybe you children start from first boy. Either second I start to girl. If you boy, first select second children, definitely boy girl. Either here also boy girl. So my sample space very easy to you describe that. My sample space for selecting a 2 child, either maybe boy boy, boy girl, girl boy, and girl girl. That's the first question. And second question is very clearly I will write down in the way of questions. What is the sample space if we are interested in number of the girls? Yes, sample space for given that interested in the number of, yes, the number of girls. in the family. So number of girls means students, here maybe 2 girls, Gigi, maybe 1 girl, BGGB, maybe no girls means boy. So here number of the girls wise 2, 1, 0. I will write down 2 girl, 1 girl, either no girls. Question 9. Same running, slowly. A box consists of 1 red and 3 identical white balls. This is a 1 box, have 1 red and 3 white identical balls. Total balls I have 4 balls. I just indicate red have the R and white have W, and W. 3 are the white balls. And question asking 2 balls are selected random in suggestion without replacement. Means here out of that 2 balls are selected without replacement. Means selected ball we can't again write the selection ways, and asking that only what is the sample space for this experiment. Therefore sample space very easy. I start first red and white ball, maybe white and red, and lastly white. Any white? Yes, either this white also conduct there. That's your sample space very easily, students. Quickly we will write there. Identical balls means all balls here same color, I mean same size. Red are different and white are 3 is different. So here experiment done, students. Now question 10. An experiment consists of tossing a coin and then throwing it 2nd times if a head occur. If a tail occur on the first toss, then dice is roll once. Find its sample space. Again I read question. An experiment consists of tossing a coin. So students, very easy. I just first toss a coin. You get head, either tail, in that way. Tossing a coin and then throwing the 2nd times if a head occur. Means if you get head occur, here again toss the coin 1 times, it will get head tail. But if you in first toss getting the tail, if a tail occurs on the first toss, then the dice roll once. Here dice toss, dice selections, a dice write down, and that number you know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In day finally you get easily your sample space is ready. These are the 2 directions are different. So my sample space U for all elements for universal. Here start HH, HT, next HT, and that way T1, T2, T3, T4, T5 and T6. That's your easily, students. Answer is done for 10th one. Now I'm moving slowly 11th one. Question number 11th. Similarly going, suppose 3 bulbs are selected and random from a lot of bulbs. Each bulb is tested and classify defective D and non-defective N. Write the sample space of this experiment. Yes, in the total lot of bulbs, we will write down D for defective bulbs and N for non-defective bulbs, and we select a lot of bulbs, I mean many bulbs are there, we select only 3. So selection of any 3 bulbs. So we just start my experiment. Maybe my first selection is defective. Then second bulb I select defective, either non-defective, and third bulb defective, non-defective, defective, non-defective. Otherwise, maybe I select my first bulb is non-defective. So my second chance again defective, non-defective, and third chance to same as defective, non-defective, and defective, non-defective. These are the 2 criteria we will declare. Now my sample space, very easy. U, for in this way my answer D, 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 next D, D, and third D and D, last D and N. These are over. Same as that side, if you start non-defective first, so NDD, it means non-defective, defective, and defective. Next ND, N, and last NND, and NNN, NND, and NNN. These are total 4 and 4, 8 chances have to selection a 3 bulb, maybe either in defective criteria, either non-defective criteria. Now continue students, going ahead, but this is a IMP questions. Question number 11. Main important here drawing, and drawing wise students we will collect your answers. Continue. Question number 12. In the 12th one, we have to question: a coin is tossed. If the outcome is head, a die is thrown. If the die show up a even number, then a die is thrown again. Otherwise, your experiment is regretted, stop. What is the sample space for this experiment? That also students IMP. Tick mark in IMP list. First we toss a coin. There are 2 chances. Either head occur, either tail occur. Question I again repeat. A coin is tossed. If the outcome is head noted, the dice is thrown. Students, here head occur, then you will draw the dice. These are drawing for dice. And dice number you know 1 to 6. But question is that in the way of a dice is thrown. If dice show up even number, then die again show. So here even and odd, you will make the separations. Here even number, that odd number. My even number is clearly known 2, 4, 6, and odd number also clearly known 1, 3, 5. And then after you're given that if the die show up even number, then dice throw again. Means here students, even number given, then you will go again to dice throwing. That way. And that's tossing your number known. Students, I will read again full questions and again I explain, and then after write the final answer. A coin is tossed means that if outcome noted head, then throw a die, head outcome, then dice. If a dice show of even number, that's why I written even and odd separately. Even number, then die again throw, again throw. In this side no given the any experiment. So now I write the final answer. So my sample space, total outcomes, we note here first this H2 with all 6 means H2 1, H2 2, H2 3, H2 4, H2 5, H2 6. That's done. H2 6 up to. Now chance H4 all 6 means here H4 1, H4 2, H4 3, H4 4, H4 5, H4 6, and third turn H6 to all, means H6 1, H6 2, H6 3, H6 4, H6 5, H6 6. This done. H6 6. Now turn to this sides. H with only odd number H1, H3, H5. Let's continue. H1, H3, H5, and last H1, H3, H5 last. Only T is single, means if you toss a coin started ways and if you tail occur, then don't do this one. Only doing tail and experiment over, and that's the total chances you will get your sample space. Next, students, continue. Question 13. Yes, same way going slowly. In question number 13, question is, the number is printed 1, 2, 3, 4 are written separately on 4 different slips of a paper. This is the first paper, same as second paper, a third paper, and fourth paper are 1, 2, 3 and 4 givens, and asking that the slips are put in a box and mixed thoroughly. A person drawn 2 slips from this box, one after other, means selection of 2 slips, one after other, yes, one after other, and without replacement, one after other without replacement. And then find out, describe the sample space for this experiment. So very easy. My sample space is in that way. If you start slip number 1 with not again 1 1, only 1 2. This is the 1 2, 1 3, 1 4. Let 2 start. 2 1, 2 3, 2 4. I just write down that way, 2 3 2 4, just 2 3 2 4. Now 3 chance, 2 3 4. Now we going to reverse, 2 1, yes, 2 1, 2 2 not, 2 3 again coming that, 2 4, 2 4 also coming. Now 3 chance, 2 3 1, 3 2, 3 4, 3 4 coming, and last 4 chance to 4 1, yes, 4 1, 4 2 is not coming, so 4 2, and last 4 3, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, 6 and 7 8 9 10 11 12. That's are the total sample space, students, occurrence in the way of tossing, selection of the any 2 slips out of the total 4. Now question 14. An experiment tossing of rolling a die and then tossing a coin. Once if the number show the dice is even, means here one of the dice I toss. First of all, dice, and dice number have you known, total odd and even. Here even number, that will be odd number. Even number I will know that 2 4 6, odd also known 1 3 5. And my number is, question again I read, an experiment tossing of dice and then tossing a coin once times if a number on the dice is even, means here we will toss the coin, head tail. And again I read, tossing a roll of die, tossing a coin if a even number toss, and if tossing a die is odd, number on the dice is odd, then coin is tossed twice. Here coin tossed twice, means head tail, again head tail, 2 times tossed, that's why head tail. And now I will show to my final answers. But before answers, I will read again my questions properly, and then after I merge my final answers to in the sample space. Sample space U. Okay, reading again, and just you observe this drawing wise is correct or not. An experiment tossing or rolling a dice, this dice, and tossing a coin once. If a number is even, yes, coin, and a dice is tossed to odd number, then coin toss twice. Correct that? Now answer, students. Perfectly I will write down here 2H, 2T, 2H, 2T, 4H, 4T, 6H, 6H, 6T. Now that side 1, but HH, HT, 1HH, 1HT, 1TH, and 1TT. 1HH, 1HT, 1TH, 1TT, and one more after that. Now 3, 3HH, 3HT, 3TH, and 3TT, and last 5HH, 5HT, 5TH, and 5TT. Last of the 5TT, and that's your simply, students, answer is done. Now 15 also very easy sum. A coin is tossed. If it is show tail, we draw a ball from the box which containing 2 red and 3 black balls. If a show head, then we throw a dice and find out the sample space. A coin is tossed first of all. Students, here I will draw tree diagram. One coin toss, definitely we cover 2 occurrence, head, tail, and here I will take the 2 partitions. First, if it is show tail, we draw a box, means this tail sides. Here one of the box containing that given a ball containing which have 2 red and 3 black balls given, total 5 balls. Students, here red I indicate R1, R2, black indicate B1, B2, B3, and if you show a head occurrence in the first toss, we throw a dice. Here, students, you draw the dice this way times, and dice numbers occurrence 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now total sample space you're running that, yes, very easily. Sample space that way, H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. This is done. Now T sides, all number of balls, TR1, TR2, red 1, red 2 over. Now T black 1, T black 2, and T black 3. T B1 with here 5 elements, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. This experiment, students, easily and happily done here. Now continue, moving ahead. Question number 16, and that much also very easy, to easiest. 16 is the IMP for the final exam. Tossing a dice till up to 6 occurrence. A dice is thrown repeatedly until a 6 come up. Here a question write down necessary. A dice is thrown, yes, repeatedly until a 6 number comes up. Means if you start your dice tossing, maybe you getting number 6, your experiment over. But if you not getting 6, maybe you can win. I mean 6 number coming in second chance. Maybe your number for winning to 6 chance for third place. So here sample space, this is your dice. Numbers in known 1 to 6. So my sample space that a dice is thrown repeatedly until a 6 come up. Maybe first toss occurrence 6, your experiment over. But maybe you're not given 6 number in the first toss. Then you can get any number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And second chance you can win 6, 6. That's not sure. You get into third time also 6. Means here 1, 1, 6. 1, 2, 6. 1, 3, 6. 1, 4, 6. 1, 5, 6. 1, 6 already written. Maybe my chances to 2 and 6. 2, 2, 6. 2, 3, 6. 2, 4, 6. 2, 5, 6, but don't write down 2, 6. Means this series is an endless process. Students, this is an endless. We can't write down the last number here because this process is also endless. So here students, your question number 16 related, this exercise 16 point students easily and happily done, and this may be another number also given, 6 maybe 5, so you can write down that type questions. Yes students, here I stop this video and further explanations to new topic in the next video. Bye bye.